In this video, I have a quick tutorial for you on how to use the pulse effect in CapCut. To start, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Next, go to the Effects tab and search Pulse. Drag the pulse effect down to the timeline on your clip. Find a suitable point in your video to apply the pulse effect. Then, on the right side, adjust the speed as needed. Now, let's see how it looks. That's the pulse effect in action. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.